మిస్టర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ నా పేరు స్నిగ్ధ. మిస్టర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ నుంచి చలి చలిగా అల్లింది పాడుతున్నాను. రాసిన వారు అనంత్ శ్రీరామ్, పాడిన వారు శ్రేయా ఘోషాల్.
Stigma, one significant advantage you have that I noticed is you can hold breath for a long time. Those first 4 lines you're actually going in a single breath. So that's quite amazing. Okay, I think you are doing it quite effortlessly, and it's not very easy to sing that in a continuous fashion, the whole thing. You're able to do that. So definitely keep practicing. 2 points that I'll suggest for you. Open your voice more and try to project your voice out. Okay. I think you got a great voice, so just open up and do that. And second, of course, like I mentioned before, also focus on the modulation and the shruti. Good job.